guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you choose who can reply to your story on Instagram. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. After that, you have to swipe to the right, and now at the top of the page on the right you have to click on the settings icon. Now you choose story, and here we go. You can allow that everyone or people you follow or no one. You choose. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.